What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the touch screen not responding to touches in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the screen issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on accessibility features. Now in accessibility features, here you will see a mistouch prevention button. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button it will help you to fix the screen not responding to touches issue. But after turning off this button, if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed any screen touch protector, then take off the protector and after that clean your screen with a clean cloth, and after that the screen touches issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and here tap on system and updates. Now here tap on software update, and from here update the phone's software to the latest version. And after updating the software of your phone, the screen touch issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen not responding to touches issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.